There is confidence in knowing how to take care of yourself. We need to teach the next generation skills that give them this confidence. We also don't want to lose these skills, even if future technologies will make it unnecessary. I think that we will always need to know how to grow our own food, but with AI and general robots coming in the next 5 to 10 years, we're going to have to be intentional about some of these things. So as we move into the era of AI and general robots, as humans, we are going to have to slow down and be more intentional about teaching the next generations how to grow food, how to preserve food, how to prepare food. Not only will it be good for their physical health, but also for their mental health, because literally getting your hands in the dirt is healing to the soul. It's healing to the mind. And I'm afraid we're starting to lose that connection.